It seems like celebrities have really found the fountain of youth. Today I'm going to cover celebs who literally haven't aged in over a decade. Let's get into the video. Number 10, Jennifer Lopez. Kicking the list off is singer and actress Jennifer Lopez. The 51-year-old has been in the spotlight since starring in the 1997 biopic Selena, and after over 20 years, Jenny from the block looks pretty much the same. Above on the left is a photo of Jennifer performing on stage in the year 2000, while the photo on the right is one the star shared on her Instagram earlier this year. No one could ever guess that these two were taken 20 years apart.
I've tried everything. I've tried drugstore products and I've tried the most expensive products. When I went back to was basically secrets my mom told me when I was young, like how olive oil was kind of a cure-all for your hair.
Number 9, Pharrell Williams. Next on the list is singer Pharrell Williams, who rose to fame in the late 90s as one part of the hip-hop and R&B production duo The Neptunes, and later on as the lead singer of the band Nerd. In 2003, Pharrell released his debut solo single Frontin', and since then he's become a staple in the name in the industry. Above on the left is a pic of Pharrell during a Nerd performance in 2004. While he posted the selfie on the right recently on his Instagram, the 47-year-old certainly looks like he hasn't aged at all.
You know, it's real, and then you know, chain reaction is a real thing in our house. Like it's a real thing. One cries.
Number 8, Rihanna. Another famous star who certainly looks as good as they did at the beginning of their career is Barbadian singer Rihanna. The singer is Adam Levine. Singer Adam Levine is yet another musician who simply doesn't seem to age. The 41-year-old lead singer of the pop rock band Maroon 5 became famous in 2002 after the band released their debut album Songs About Jane. Above in one photo on the left, the singer can be seen performing on stage in 2005, while the photo on the right was taken during a performance at the beginning of this year. Number 6, Jennifer Aniston. The first Hollywood star that made it on this list is Jennifer Aniston. The actress rose to international fame as Rachel Green on the sitcom Friends in 1994, and ever since then, Jennifer has been a staple in the movie industry. In the photo on the left, the actress can be seen at an event in 2000, while the photo on the right was posted on her Instagram this year. It's safe to say that the 51-year-old hasn't changed much. Number 5, Beyonce. Next on the list is diva Beyonce, who has been in the eye of the public for over 2 decades. The singer rose to fame as a member of Destiny's Child in the late 90s and has since then achieved an incredible career. In the photo on the left, the star can be seen at a local photo shoot in 2000, while the photo on the right was posted by her on social media earlier this year. The 39-year-old certainly doesn't look almost 2 decades older. Number 4, Angelina Jolie. Another Hollywood star that just doesn't seem to age is Angelina Jolie. The actress became famous in the late 90s with roles in movies such as Gia and Girl, Interrupted, and has since then established herself as a serious Hollywood star. The photo above on the left was taken during World Refugee Day in 2002, while the screenshot on the right is from a video that the 45-year-old recorded earlier this year. Number 3, Will Smith. The 51-year-old actor and musician Will Smith also made it onto this list, as it certainly seems like the star hasn't aged much in over 2 decades. In the early 90s, Will rose to fame as a lead on the television show The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, and since then he starred in plenty of blockbuster movies. The photo above on the left was taken at the premiere for the movie Ali in 2001, while the screenshot on the right is from an episode of Red Table Talk which aired earlier this year. Number 2, Jada Pinkett Smith. Speaking of Will Smith, his wife, actress Jada Pinkett Smith, has also made it onto the list. The 48-year-old who began in the 90s certainly hasn't changed much either. The photo above on the left was taken at a Burberry Beverly Hills store opening in 2001, while the screenshot on the right is from an episode of Red Table Talk from earlier this year. Number 1, Gwen Stefani. Wrapping up this list is singer Gwen Stefani, who certainly looks pretty much the exact same she did 20 years ago. Gwen had her breakthrough in 1995 as the lead singer of the band No Doubt, and she has since then embarked on an impressive solo career. The photo on the left was taken at the 2001 Billboard Awards, while the 50-year-old singer posted the photo on the right on Instagram earlier this year. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.